Cold open. Ever wondered why your canine companion sounds like a broken record? We've got answers. 1. Reverse sneezing. It's a rapid, forceful inhale through the nose. Sounds scary, but it's typically harmless. 2. Yawning noises. Dogs yawn to communicate. A high-pitched yawn. They're anxious. A low-pitched one. They're relaxed. 3. Gurgling stomach. Just like us, dogs get digestive upsets, but excessive gurgling could mean a trip to the vet. 4. Howling at sirens. It's not a sing-along, it's a primal response. Dogs think sirens are other animals howling. 5. Whining when you leave. It's called separation anxiety. Your dog misses you. Remember, knowing your dog's sounds helps you understand their needs. Happy decoding, dog lovers.